Today, you have been told by Miss Bassett how the Happyland Toy Company had killed Joey Davis. You have also heard from our team, first from Miss Brett Miller. She explained all the events that happened in the household before Joey's death. She had also explained what Mr. Davis had said to her and that he lacked the patience of reading warning labels on the Princess Bead box that would have told him that this was not for Joey. Second, you have heard from Mr. Reese Gardner. Mr. Reese Gardner had explained all the facts from Joey's body to his pre-existing condition, and you have also heard how these events do not lead up to Joey's dying from the princess beads. And now Miss Bassett has ignored this and has not given you an explanation that would provide beyond a reasonable doubt that these facts actually are not for Joey dying from swallowing the princess beads. Lastly, we have heard from Mr. Robert Quinn, the mind behind the Happyland Toy Company actually manufacturing these princess beads. He has told you guys the specific costs, the specific chemicals, the specific ingredients of this toy, and he has also told you how there were warning labels on the box that would have showed everyone how this was not suitable for a kid like Joey. Now, let me tell you something. It was not the Happyland Toys Company's fault that these beads eventually ended up in Joey's mouth. Neither was it any human soul to lie. Sure, there were a bit of percentage for blame for some people, such as even Mr. Davis himself, who had lacked the patience to read these princess labels. There was also the blame of Miss Brett Miller, who did not do her duty of babysitting the Davis' family, but in all, it was no one meant to do him any harm. And him swallowing the princess beads was merely an overreaction to his pre-existing condition, mostly asthma, and that would eventually clog up his pipe, which would eventually lead him to be in a coma-like state and die. So, when this case is over and you guys have done with your discussions, please find the Happyland Toy Company not guilty. Thank you.